better write them out. So if here's the steps. Decide what size lattice box I need. Write the longer number on top. Pick the smaller one on the side. After you multiply, add the diagonal. So here's an example. I always just write my number. If I had 432 times 36, I'd write that on the top. I'd write this one sideways. Draw a box that goes to all of them. Draw lines between the numbers and between these numbers. And then corner to corner make my diagonals. Let's do another one. Write my top number, write my side number, make a box that goes past each of them, line in between, catch the corners. One more. My longer one on top, my other one sideways, box, lines between the numbers, corner to corner. This one, you have 6.15. You can pretend the decimal's not there. Longer number on top, point should probably go there. 3. Box beside them, lines between the numbers, corner to corner. And then you can do your problem. Let's see what the next one looks like. Oops. Gotta get my arrow. 1.3 times 42. 1.3. 42, neither one's longer, so it doesn't matter where I put them. Box, lines between the numbers. One more. That's the same length. They're all about the same length, so we'll stop there. Practice. So we had 23 and 47. So we put a line between here, a line between here, and then our slides from each corner of the boxes. I'm going to erase what I wrote on it so it looks neater for practicing. And so we're going to match this one to this one. 4 times 3 is 12. We're going to match 4 over to 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 0, 8. We're going to match 7 to 3. They would come together in this box. 7 times 3 is 21. We're going to match 7 and 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Now we add down our slides. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10. Carry my 1 up to that slide. 1 plus 0 is 1. So my answer is 1, 0, 8, 1. try another one. We had 56. Put a line between it. 91 on the side. Put a line between it. Draw my angles from each set of squares. And let's erase, make it neat. Start. Let's do our magnitude estimate first. 56 would be closest to 60. 91 would be closest to 90. 9 times 6 is 54. And I have 2 zeros. So my answer should be close to 5,400. Now let's multiply and see. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 5 is 45. 1 times 6 is 6. 0, 6. 1 times 5 is 5. So 0, 5. If I put it the other way, it'd say 50. Add down my slides. 6. 5 and 4 is 9. 5 and 5 is 10. Carry my 1 to the next slide. 4 plus 1 is 5. My answer is 5096. And that is somewhat close to 5,400. You try this one first. Pause and see what you get. Make your magnitude estimate first. And come back and see if we agree. Magnitude estimate. 87 is closest to 90. 14 is closest to 10. 9 times 1 is 9 with 2 zeros. So my magnitude estimate is 900. Let's try it and see what we get. 7 times 1 is 7. 0, 7, because we don't want 70. 1 times 8 is 8. 0, 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. Add down the slides. 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry my 1. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry my 1. 1, 2, 1, 8. Close to 900, but since it's a magnitude estimate, we're bigger, but we're not super close. Now, if we had a decimal in it, then you could always use your magnitude estimate to figure out what it would be close to. So this would be close to 4 times close to 4 would be 16. So when my answer would end up 1554, this is where it'd have to be closest to 16. You also can take it this way till they meet and let it slide down, and it still end up between the two fives. It says locate decimal point and answer as follows. Slide the decimal point down, slide the decimal point across where they meet, then they slide down. So let's practice one. Let's do our magnitude estimate first. 4.3 is closest to 4. 9.6 is closest to 10. So our magnitude estimate is 40. Let's put our problem in there. 4.3, 9.6. Do it like it was a regular problem without a decimal. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. Added the slides. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry my 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 4. Got to get my decimal to make it look like close to 40. So it'd have to be here. We could also do the slide thing. And it's still go in the same spot. Let's do another one. So they've got the box long this way, so we're going to write 14.6. And they've got 32 here with no decimal. So 32 is close to 30. 14 is close to, are we going to do 10 or 20? I'm going to do 10 because the 4 couldn't make it bump up to 20. 3 times 1 is 3 with 2 zeros. 300 is going to be a really rough estimate because we really rounded. And we're going to do our problem. 6 times 3 is 18. 4 times 3 is 12. We have one more box, so keep going. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Add my slides. 8, 8, 16, 17. Carry my 1. 2, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4. And I have a 0 here, so I'm going to leave it off. 4, 6, 7, 2. Gotta be close to. So to make this close to 300, the closest we could get would be 400. 467.2, and we knew we rounded quite a bit. This one's a little bit longer. Now you try this one, and then we'll do it together. Pause if you need to. Let's do this one. It's a little bit longer. Magnitude estimate. It's closer to 5 or 6. 5. Closer to 6 or 7. 7, because the 5 would bump it up. Magnitude estimate is 35. Let's put our numbers in here. 5.13. 6. Point here. 0.58. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. I like going across the top row first. Middle row. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Bottom row. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Add all my slides. 4. 8, 9, 10, 15. Carry my 1. 8, 9, 10, 15. Carry my 1. 6, 7, 8. 8, 5 is 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. Carry my 1. 2, 3. 3. Wow, look at all my numbers. 3, 3, 7, 5, 5, 4. How do I make that close to 35? I'd have to go clear up here. 33. Open your math journal to page 54. Complete the problems in column B. Page 55. Complete those problems. Here's the study link if it's assigned. And here's math boxes if it's assigned.